3 ways to always improve yourself. Number 1, have a to-do list. Every day before you start your work, look at your to-do list and make priorities. Because if you don't have this, people's priority will become your priorities.
Hey, do you have time today? I have something urgent.
I have a deadline for today. I'll look into it later in the afternoon. Is that okay with you? And if you can't commit to get everything done within the same day, please, you need to raise it already. Number 2, commit to an exercise routine. Working out regularly can improve your health, increase your lifespan, and contribute to a better quality of life at work and beyond. Adopting an exercise routine can help clear your mind and help you relax, which can improve your productivity. Consider committing to working out for a few hours a week for an entire month. Choose a sport or a type of exercise that you like. Consider partnering with a gym buddy to help to make the process fun. Number 3, attend short courses or workshops. While you can learn new skills independently, joining a class can add structure to your learning experience. When you sign up for this training or free workshop, you can pursue hard or soft skill with the help of an expert. And if you're a student, fresh grads or first jobbers, here's the good news for you. M-Campus is back. M-Campus is youth financial talk show organized by Maybank Malaysia to build a financially literate community among the youth. Register now with M-Campus 2022 to stand a chance to win the 10 ringgit Mail Cash.